The Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing is a high-performance luxury sedan that has been making waves in the automotive industry. With its impressive top speed of 200 miles per hour, it offers an exhilarating driving experience for those who crave speed and power. The CT5-V Blackwing is the pinnacle of Cadillac's performance lineup, boasting a powerful engine and advanced aerodynamics to enhance its performance capabilities. It is equipped with a supercharged V8 engine that delivers exceptional horsepower and torque, allowing it to reach incredible speeds on the open road. In addition to its impressive speed, the CT5-V Blackwing also offers luxurious features and amenities that make every drive a comfortable and enjoyable experience. From premium materials used in the interior to advanced technology systems, Cadillac has spared no expense in creating a truly remarkable vehicle. Whether you're looking for an adrenaline-pumping ride or simply appreciate the craftsmanship of a high-performance luxury sedan, the Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing is sure to exceed your expectations. Its combination of power, speed, and luxury make it a standout choice in its class. Rev up your support for car swagger. Subscribe to stay in the fast lane for the latest car reviews, exciting adventures, and expert insights. Hit that like button if you're a true car enthusiast. Drop a comment with your favorite car model or what you'd love to see next.